This is North Television Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns North, Polokwane City North. Brother, how do you feel about the game match today?
Brother, I'm not going to bring school to the Polokwane Sundowns. Step the Sundowns, Kerala, Kapologria, Mani Kerala, Hiburi. Everyone don't tell. I'm not going to yeah. I'm respect this woman.
Yeah, I'm Samaro.
I'm not going to
exactly.
I don't know how many are surprised. It's a person I need to via community.
Yeah.
Even if you tell me I need to learn information. But what I'm telling you was some down to me. Whatever play again, then I bake you. Bake players. Repair part, I repair big.
Come on, the fanfare part of the pay is a little big.
The bacon Muriba, bacon Vala, the baker myself. Abachincha, Abafesa, Abuchi, Agalakatari, Margot Fulamaritaz. The Timothy Yan, this Odisa, like some Buddha Patera, Balamura.
No, I get a history about Dalala Sundown. I'm going to try.
Remember, I'm very pleased at Polokwane City. I'm very happy that Amara. This thing, you refuse, you to say the opposition. You don't like it, you don't appreciate it. You don't appreciate the matter. Tell me that you can't. Let me let you say, it's already, what a big role, I don't know.